Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science Year 2, Unit 1, Uses of Materials, and this is video part 1 of 2. My name is Megan Latchford and I'm a design lead for Art Curriculum Plus for primary science, geography and history. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. The resources available are the Science Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the Pupil Workbook and eBook Workbook, additional resources to go alongside the lessons, and the Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources in Oxford OWL, you'll need to log in, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject, so Year 1 and 2 Science, scroll down to View the Available Resources, select the year group from the drop-down option, select the unit from the drop-down option, and download the resources for each lesson. Here is an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for the entire unit, and you can find more detail in the progression document and the unit planning guidance, but I will give you a couple of seconds to pause and read through them now. Whilst throughout all the year groups and all the units, every science unit builds on prior and future learning. The main units we've highlighted as being prior and future learning as Year 1 everyday materials and Year 5 materials properties and changes. For more information on the links of prior and future learning, please look through the unit planning guidance for this unit and the science progression document. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in the unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. Pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of each lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions. Every lesson also ends with 2 exit questions, which allow teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.